We got the garage emptied. Earthly Delights.
It's getting a whole new look.
It's getting a whole new look, that's right.
Got the door and your dad's so.
Yep, that's great. Looks nice and clean. Well, it doesn't look that clean, but it looks ready. Ready for the next phase. I just figured we'd leave all of the stuff that's growing inside.
Yeah.
So then they can see.
Yeah.
They're gonna see.
They're gonna see, but they're gonna extra see.
Yeah. Do you feel like you have a better idea of the vision now that it's empty, or like you can see it more?
Huh. In this moment, I'm pretty hot and sweaty and tired. So I don't know if I'm not quite feeling visionary just yet, but despite that.
The camera's following you. You're optimistic.
Yeah. Yeah. It's weird how having it empty, it simultaneously looks both big and small. Like,
Yeah.
I guess when I'm looking in from here, I'm like, oh yeah, that's a nice big space. And then when I come inside, I'm like, I don't know, it feels kind of small. Maybe it's because of the ceiling?
It's wasps that he's spraying?
Ooh, I don't know if it's bees or hornets.
I thought we had a thing there.
I wonder what other surprises.
Earthly Delights.
It's getting a whole new look.
It's getting a whole new look, that's right. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel, Earthly Delights. I'm Kelly, and in today's episode, I wanted to show you the progress that we're making on our garage. So we had this unfinished garage on our property, and we were just using it to store things from our house and also some of the hard goods that we've picked along the way. It was not temperature controlled, and it was very rough. So we spent a couple days emptying it all out. We hired contractors. They've been working for about 3 weeks now, and they've made a lot of progress. So I wanted to show you where we're at so far with the project, what it's looking like. So this space is going to be used for taking pictures, storing everything that's unlisted, and also storing all of our inventory. We have a storage space. We spend $300 a month on it, and we just decided we had this raw space. Let's go ahead and renovate it and have everything related to our business right at home. So we got it re-sided, we got new windows put in, we got a door in down here. So here's our back door, and so we'll just be able to come right out here and go right into our office. And if you've been following us for more than a year now, you might recognize that door. Now, we had no intention of actually using the door. We bought it at an estate sale with like a bunch of vintage clothes. They had it marked for $400. It's a hand-carved Balinese door. We got them down to $200, and we got it home, and we've been just like moving it around. We listed it on eBay for local pickup. We got some offers, but they were like across the country. They wanted us to do freight, and we're just not really set up for that. So we had to, decline those offers, and we had to get this emptied out for the contractors. And we were just like, what are we going to do with this door? And, well, we decided to go ahead and use it for the front door of Earthly Delights. So we're really, really happy with how it looks. Go ahead and open that, and let's go inside. And here we are. Looks a lot different from when we were in here a couple of weeks ago emptying everything out. We've got brand new windows, and we're getting all new electrical upgrades, and we're gonna have heat and air conditioning in here, and This is all going to get finished. We're going to put recessed lighting all up in here. We're going to get sheetrocked, and we're getting, we decided to go ahead and get oak floors put down because we just really like the look of solid wood. What we're imagining is all on the left side here is inventory that we haven't listed yet. And so we're going to get some like hutches and vintage and antique storage units on this side to put all of our unlisted inventory. We just want something that, you know, is different than the racks, that just, you know, visually is fun, and you know, it might not be like the best in terms of space, but you know, we just want to have this as, you know, all of the inventory we haven't listed. And then we're going to set up our flat white backdrop here with some lighting mounted on it. So we just have a stationary space where we can take photos for clothing. And then next to that, we're going to have a light box for hard goods, some racks for the clothing. And then we're going to hopefully be able to put 2 rows of metal racks with banker boxes like we have in our storage unit. If you've seen in previous episodes, we're going to have all of the listed inventory on the other side of the garage. We'd love to put a table in the middle if we have the space, so we can like come in from a estate sale haul or the thrift store, put everything down and process it if it needs, you know, to be sprayed or just cleaned up. We'd love to be able to fit a table there if we can. Here, if we look out here, this is another space. So when we bought the house, this was an unfinished area, and back here they had a pool that they had taken out. We were just gonna get this renovated here, but then as we were thinking about it, we decided that we're gonna go ahead and get this back area renovated as well. It's gonna give us almost as much space as what we have in here. And so I'm going to take you back there and show you. We still don't know quite what we're going to use it for. We were thinking about using it for hard goods. Then we were thinking about a YouTube studio to do like haul videos. So we're still, you know, kind of trying to figure out what we want to use it for, but we know we want to get it renovated so we have more space so our business can grow. So this will be the front door of the business where we just were. And then we come down here. And this is all like gardening equipment and stuff, so our gardening tools. But then we have this space here. We're going to get a front door put on here. And so this is all going to be closed in. And we were just thinking about going to the end of this wall that's framed out. But then we decided to go ahead and make it even bigger. And so this is the back of it. We've decided to go ahead and make the addition out to the end of this post here. So it's going to go the whole way out here. And they've already started work on it. Put foundation there. So we're getting a space that is nearly the same size as what's inside there that I showed you out here. And so we just have to decide what we're going to use it for. This is really like a bonus space. We had no plans on making it this involved. We were just going to get that renovated, but we just decided to go ahead and go for it. It's just such a good opportunity to get everything done. I think we're going to put air conditioning and heating back here too, but we have to sort of figure out the price of everything. But yeah, so this is the progress that they're making. We should be able to move into our new space in the next 3 weeks, as long as we don't run into any issues. So we'll keep bringing you videos and show you the progress with the renovation and us moving into the space and getting all set up. So look out for that. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel and also hit that like button. We really appreciate you helping us grow our channel, and we'll see you for the next video.